This is the ComeCase case for the Blue Yeti microphone. Got this off of Amazon. It's a nice compact shape. Has the ComeCase logo on the zippers here and also on the front. It's nice and unobtrusive. This case is about 9 inches long by 6 inches wide. And it's about 4.5 inches tall. Here's my Yeti microphone, including its windscreen inside the case. This case comes with these protective foam. You have to pull out the pieces so you can put your mic in. They are removable. And it fits in perfectly. There's just enough room for the cable and the mic. On this side there are more foam parts cut out that you're going to have to remove. Just make sure those circles line up with the knobs on the mic. And here it is without the windscreen. Fits in even better. And here's how I put it in with the windscreen. You just have to move this little piece out of the way here. And there you go. Basic and simple, easy, and protects your microphone. I love this case. And this is the one I got for my husband, and he has a teal Yeti. And here is mine again for comparison. Now I leave you with a few photos. One thing I want to mention that I thought was pretty interesting, you can move the foam pieces around so you can orient your mic in whatever direction that you like best. So that is the ComeCase for the Blue Yeti microphone. Hope you guys enjoyed it.